Are you looking to create a modern AI chatbot application, but overwhelmed by the complexity of UI design and development? Building a beautiful, functional chat interface from scratch can be incredibly time-consuming and often requires extensive design expertise. You need a solution that accelerates your development process without compromising on aesthetics or user experience. Introducing NeauroTalk, the ultimate AI chatbot Flutter app UI template designed to revolutionize your app development. NeauroTalk provides a sleek, pre-built foundation, allowing you to launch your intelligent chat application faster and more efficiently. It's not just a template, it's your express lane to a professional-grade chatbot experience. Built entirely with Flutter, NeauroTalk offers a clean, modern, and highly elegant design that captivates users from the first interaction. You'll love the smooth, responsive UI that ensures a flawless experience across both Android and iOS devices. With NeauroTalk, customization is incredibly easy thanks to its well-structured and organized codebase, making it simple to adapt to your unique brand identity. Experience awesome animations and a truly interactive chat interface that brings your conversations to life. NeauroTalk seamlessly integrates features like chat history and saved conversations, enhancing user convenience and engagement. Plus, the template comes with both dark and light modes, catering to diverse user preferences right out of the box. Forget about spending countless hours on UI implementation. NeauroTalk saves you significant development time and cost, letting you focus on the core AI logic. This comprehensive Flutter code template ensures you have everything needed to create a sophisticated and engaging AI chatbot app ready for immediate integration. Stop reinventing the wheel and elevate your next AI project with NeauroTalk. Get started today and transform your vision into a stunning reality. The link to acquire the NeauroTalk AI chatbot Flutter app UI template is available in the description below.